ಸೊ ಡಿಫೆನ್ಸ್ ಸೆಕ್ಟರಲ್ಲಿ ತಮಗೆ ಕೆಲಸ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದರೆ ಬರೇ ಒಂದು ಕೆಲಸ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಬರೇ ಒಂದು ಸಂಬಳ ಅಲ್ಲ, ತಮಗೆ ಕೆಲಸ ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ, ಆ ಸಂಬಳದೊಂದಿಗೆ ತಮಗೆ ಒಂದು ಮರ್ಯಾದೆಯ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಥಾನ ಮಾನ ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ, ಭಾರತ ದೇಶವನ್ನು ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡುವಂಥ ಒಂದು ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಸುವರ್ಣಾವಕಾಶ ನಿಮಗೆ ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ. ಕೊನೆಯದಾಗಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಇಡೀ ಕುಟುಂಬಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ಹೆಮ್ಮೆಯ ವಿಷಯ ಆಗಿರ್ತದೆ. ಈಗ ಮಂಗಳೂರಿಗೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟಿರೆ, ಮಂಗಳೂರಿನ ನನ್ನ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಒಟ್ಟಾರೆ ಒಂದು 100 ಜನ ಸಿಗುವುದು ಕಷ್ಟ. ಇಡೀ ಸೌತ್ ಕೆನರಾ ಡಿಸ್ಟಿಕ್ಕಲ್ಲಿ 100 ಜನ ಡಿಫೆನ್ಸ್ನವ್ರು ಸಿಗುವುದು ಕಷ್ಟ. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ನಮಗೆ ನನ್ನ ರಿಯಲಿ ನನ್ನ ಒಂದು ಆಸೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ, ನಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಅವರು ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಈಗ PUC ಕಲಿತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, SLC ಓದ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅವರಿಗೆ ಸಮೇತ ಈ ಪ್ರೇರಣೆ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಪ್ರೇರಣೆ ಬಂದು ತಾವು ಡಿಫೆನ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಈ ವಿಷಯವನ್ನು ನಾನು ಭಾಳ ಕ್ಲಿಯರಾಗಿ ಹೇಳಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬಯಸ್ತೇನೆ. ನಿಮಗೆ ಅದು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಬೇಕು, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಉತ್ತೇಜನ ಸಿಗಬೇಕು, ಆವಾಗಲೇ ಆ ಕೆಲಸ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ನೋಡಿ, ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ, ನಮಗೆ ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಪ್ರಾಯದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಕಲಿತು ನಾವು ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಹಾಸಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ. we get our degree, and then after the degree our mind is always about a job, either a job or a business. And for a Mangalorean, the moment they get the degree in their hand, they want to fly over to Dubai or Saudi or Gulf country. So this is the normal way, right? Am I right? Yeah, I'm saying that's the normal way, right? It is true also. I'm not blaming for that. But what I want to say, every job will give you the money. Every job will give you the salary. Some job small salary, some job maybe a big salary. But a job will give you salary. Am I right? What else it can give? A job, what else it can give? ಸಂಬಳ ಅಲ್ಲದೆ ಒಂದು ಕೆಲಸ ಏನು ಕೊಡ್ತದೆ ಮತ್ತೆ what else will give? Tell me. I want an interactive way. I don't want to be I want to have a dialogue, not a monologue. I talk and you listen. I don't want that. ಒಂದು ಕೆಲಸ ಸಂಬಳ ಅಲ್ಲದೆ, other than money, other than salary, what else it gives? Tell me, what else it gives? Say it. Say, baby, say. What it gives? It gives. Say loudly, please. Now give them a mic. Give them a mic, please. Experience. Okay. Other than the job gives the experience. Correct. You are right. Send that this one mic, 1 or 2 mic, because it is required later also. Mr. Anish Kuti also not a a monologue person. He's a dialogue person. He believes in interaction. So in addition to the job, in addition to the salary, it gives experience. Right? What else? What else it gives? It gives. What else? It gives respect. It gives respect in the family, in the friend circle. Yes, it gives respect also. Okay, and then you become whoever is the salary gainer, whoever is employed and get the salary. You become a source of help and support to your entire family. Okay, so you get your salary, and then you also get a designation. Every job you get a designation. You can be a team leader, you can be a team member, you can be a director, you can be a managing director, you can be a HR head, you can be a finance head. So these are, one, you get a job, along with the job you get a salary, you get a designation, you get experience, and you get a, what you said? You get, one more word you used now. Respect. Don't confuse me. I am very clear what I want to. If I don't get, I will ask and I will wait. Okay, it is respect. Now I will tell you the difference between all job vis-a-vis a different job. Different job also give you the job. It gives a fantastic salary. Okay, and it gives, you can make a best of career in your lifespan. It gives all that, and it gives a great opportunity that is only a different job can give, to work for the nation. You understand what it gives? What is difference here? It gives an opportunity to work for the nation. No other job will give you that.
And the discipline.
And then what nation? You try to understand about the nation. Believe me, in the whole world, there is no nation can come close to India. There is no nation. You may talk of America, UK, Europe and all that. Believe me, they are all in receiving end. They are all in receiving end. in a school atmosphere, some student comes with a gun, he shoots his classmates. That is a life there. There is no family life. There is no peace and the contentment. There is no cohesiveness. But in India, everything you have, from Kashmir to Kanyakumari, what is a beautiful nation is this. That's the reason Iqbal has said, "Sare jahan se acha Hindustan hamara." So what do you get? You get a job, you get a salary, you get a designation, and you get an opportunity to serve the nation. So ಡಿಫೆನ್ಸ್ ಸೆಕ್ಟರಲ್ಲಿ ತಮಗೆ ಕೆಲಸ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದರೆ ಬರೇ ಒಂದು ಕೆಲಸ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಬರೇ ಒಂದು ಸಂಬಳ ಅಲ್ಲ, ತಮಗೆ ಕೆಲಸ ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ. ಆ ಸಂಬಳದೊಂದಿಗೆ ತಮಗೆ ಒಂದು ಮರ್ಯಾದೆಯ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಥಾನ ಮಾನ ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ. ಭಾರತ ದೇಶವನ್ನು ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡುವಂಥ ಒಂದು ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಸುವರ್ಣಾವಕಾಶ ನಿಮಗೆ ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ. ಕೊನೆಯದಾಗಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಇಡೀ ಕುಟುಂಬಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ಹೆಮ್ಮೆಯ ವಿಷಯ ಆಗಿರ್ತದೆ. ನನ್ನ ಮಗ, ನನ್ನ ಮೊಮ್ಮಗಳು, ನನ್ನ ಮೊಮ್ಮಗ ಡಿಫೆನ್ಸಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಅವನು ಅದು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಇದು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾನೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳುವಾಗ ನಮ್ಮ ತಂದೆ ತಾಯಂದಿರಿಗೆ, ನಮ್ಮ ಅಜ್ಜನವರಿಗೆ, ಅಜ್ಜಿಯವರಿಗೆ, ನಮ್ಮ ಸಂಸಾರದವರಿಗೆ ಆಗುವಂಥ ಒಂದು ಸಂತೋಷ ಉಂಟಲ್ಲ, ಯಾವುದೇ ಕೆಲಸ ನಮಗೆ ಕೊಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯವಿಲ್ಲ. ನಾನು ಇದರ ಹಿಂದೆ ಇಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಕಾರಣ, ಈಗಿನ ಕಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ಈ ಡಿಫೆನ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುವವರು ನಾರ್ತ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾದವರು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಅವರಿಗೆ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅಸೂಯೆ ಪಡುವುದಲ್ಲ, ನಾವು ಅವರಿಗೆ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು. ಕಾರಣ ಅವರು ಇರುವುದರಿಂದಾಗಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಡಿಫೆನ್ಸು ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲಲ್ಲಿದೆ. ಈಗ ಪಂಜಾಬಿಯವರಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಹರಿಯಾಣದವರಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ರಾಜಸ್ಥಾನದವರಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಯು ಪಿ ಅವರಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಬಿಹಾರದವರಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಸೌತ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಮೇಜರ್ ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಟಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ ಕೂರ್ಗ್ನವರು ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ಕೇರಳದ ಕೆಲವು ಜನ, ತಮಿಳುನಾಡಿನ ಕೆಲವು ಜನ, ಆಂಧ್ರ ಪ್ರದೇಶದ ಕೆಲವು ಜನ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಈಗ ಮಂಗಳೂರಿಗೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟಿದರೆ, ಮಂಗಳೂರಲ್ಲಿ ನನ್ನ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಒಟ್ಟಾರೆ ಒಂದು 100 ಜನ ಸಿಗೋದು ಕಷ್ಟ. ಇಡೀ ಸೌತ್ ಕನ್ನಡ ಡಿಸ್ಟಿಕ್ಕಲ್ಲಿ 100 ಜನ ಡಿಫೆನ್ಸ್ನವ್ರು ಸಿಗೋದು ಕಷ್ಟ. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ನಮಗೆ ನನ್ನ ರಿಯಲಿ ನನ್ನ ಒಂದು ಆಸೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ, ನಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಅವರು ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಈಗ PUC ಕಲಿತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, SLC ಓದ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅವರಿಗೆ ಸಮೇತ ಈ ಪ್ರೇರಣೆ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಪ್ರೇರಣೆ ಬಂದು ತಾವು ಡಿಫೆನ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ತಾವು ಡಿಫೆನ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ದೇವರ ಸಾಕ್ಷ್ಯವಾಗಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ. ಇದು ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು ಎಲ್ಲನೂ ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ. ಅದರೊಂದಿಗೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಸ್ವರ್ಗವಂತೂ ದೇವರು ಖಂಡಿತ ದಯಪಾಲಿಸ್ತಾನೆ.
Stand up. Very good, very good. Now stretch your hands upstairs. Stretch your hands both. Now move right and left. Move right and left. Okay. एक दूसरे को सलाम करो, बैठ जाओ. एक दूसरे को सलाम करो, बैठ जाओ. Sit down. No noise, no noise. See, I was talking about a degree, girls and boys. One particular degree where you don't have to spend money from your parents' pocket. How many of you are in the first year of engineering? First year of engineering. Now, those children who are in the first year, they should understand there is a course called technical entry after your JEE. कितने लोगों ने JEE का एग्जाम दिया? How many of you have given JEE का exams? One. Here, some of them. So, did you know that through JEE you could have gone into Indian Army, Navy, Air Force? No, you are not aware. How many of you came to know that you can go into Indian Army, Navy, Air Force by giving JEE exams? Anyone was knowing about it? How many? Anybody? No one. बोलो ऐसा पहली बार हुआ है. बोलो ऐसा पहली बार हुआ है. क्या पहली बार हुआ है? JEE का एग्जाम देके भी इंडिया ऑफिसर बन सकते हैं. By giving JEE exam, you can become officer in the Indian Army, Navy, Air Force. The entire engineering cost is borne by the Indian defense system. You get a degree and you also become an officer. Are you aware of this? No. Similarly, those children whose kids or sisters or brothers or relatives are studying for NEET, you can become a doctor in the Indian Army, Navy, Air Force. The exam is called as NEET. You don't have to give any other exam. But through NEET, you have to fill a form. The name of the form is called AFMC, Armed Forces Medical College. कौन सा फॉर्म भरना है? जोर से बोलो. Armed Forces Medical College. That particular girl or boy can become a doctor. At first year itself, they will be paid stipend to become a doctor. After 4 years, they become a doctor and also an officer. If they want to do their MD, again by government's money, you do your MD. You want to go to Europe, you can go to Europe. Everything will be taken care of by the government. You get a house which is more than 1 acre. you get a jeep and you get people to work for you. Your children will be accompanied to the school by some soldiers. So such kind of facilities available in the Indian defense system if somebody wants to be a doctor. The only thing that they have to do, like what Sanjay Dutt says in the movie Munna Bhai MBBS. How many of you have watched Munna Bhai MBBS? सब अल्लाह वाले दिखते हैं, कोई पिक्चर नहीं देखते. अरे कितने लोगों ने देखा मुन्ना भाई MBBS? हाँ. In Munna Bhai MBBS, when he goes to the hospital, he says, एक डायलॉग है, ऑपरेशन करने से पहले फॉर्म भरना जरूरी है. क्या डायलॉग है, जोर से बोलो. ऑपरेशन करने से पहले इंडिया में भी फॉर्म भरना जरूरी है. Many people are there who get more than 650 marks, but they don't fill up the form, so they are not becoming eligible for giving that exam. If you people have given JEE, if you would have filled the technical entry scheme form, you would have got a call letter. Only thing was interview. There is a 5-day interview called SSB, Service Selection Board, which is compulsory by the government of India for everyone who wants to become an officer has to give this interview. That interview preparation is a 360-degree development, which everyone has to appear. In fact, I have asked the Beery sir that from next year onwards, there will be a colonel here who will conduct this interview for you. Because anybody who becomes an engineering graduate, how many of you are doing your AI? दुनिया में 5 चीजें चलने वाली है. Boys, how many? 5 things are going to work out in the country now. Say, बोलो जोर से बोलो. A. Girls loudly. A. B. C. D and E. Say loudly. A, B, C, D and E. What does A stand for? A stands for artificial intelligence. A stands for artificial intelligence. If you have done your degree in artificial intelligence, there will be directly, you will be getting a call, provided you fill up the form. In institutes like DRDO. कितने लोगों ने DRDO का नाम सुना है? Very good. What do you know about DRDO? Anybody who can stand up and tell me? एक mic दे सकते हैं उनको? Can you give a mic? Somebody who knows about DRDO?
Raise the hand there.
Somebody has raised the hand. I just want to know. Yes. Stand up. Very good, fantastic. मेरे को सुनने से आपको बहुत फायदा होगा और क्वेश्चन पूछने से भी फायदा होगा. Yes, बच्चा. Your name first. What's your name?
So my name is Arshad.
हाँ.
I'm from Artificial Intelligence and Data Science Department.
Which year?
4th year.
So your major is AI or minor is DS?
Sir?
Major artificial intelligence.
Yes.
And minor data science.
Data Science.
Yeah, tell me.
Sir, we got an opportunity for DRDO like 3 months back.
Can you tell me the full form of DRDO? Yeah, I'll help you. Defense?
Defense and Research and...
Okay, continue.
Okay, sir. And it is based if, we are working on the defense sectors on technical basis and doing the research on the technical things. It might be radar system or some other defense organization.
So it is an apprenticeship or it's an internship?
It was like an internship.
It's a project for your final year?
No, we get an opportunity, but we were not able to go there.
Acha. Don't miss this opportunity because DRDO, I call them Amar Akbar Anthony. Bolo, Amar Akbar Anthony bolo.
Amar Akbar Anthony.
इंडिया में अमर DRDO है. अकबर जो है वो BRC है, बाबा एटॉमिक रिसर्च सेंटर. हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू हर्ड अबाउट BRC? से लाउडली बाबा एटॉमिक रिसर्च सेंटर. इट इज इन बॉम्बे. तो एनीबडी हु इज डूइंग द इंजीनियरिंग उसको दो ना, कंटिन्यू करो. लेट अस. एंड थर्ड इज एंथनी. एंथनी इज ISRO. वेयर इज ISRO? एनीवन? वेयर इज ISRO? गर्ल्स, बॉयज?
Bangalore.
जोर से.
Bangalore.
Anybody who can speak about ISRO? Can you continue with DRDO? So why did you miss the event?
Sir, it was like 6 months of internship where we needed to attend our regular classes also, but we were not getting the chance to attend our classes. So we missed that opportunity.
So after your 4 years, are you ready to join DRDO, BRC or ISRO?
Yes, sir. If we get the chance, I will really join.
But if you get a very good job outside India, maybe America, NASA, which one you will prefer, DRDO or NASA?
Sir, India, of course.
India, of course. Your good name, thanks, clap for it. So after his 4th year, before his 4th year, he has to give 3 interviews. He has to fill up the form for DRDO, ISRO, BRC. One more new thing I just added in my PPT. Sinan sir, can you start my PPT? Just I wanted to know the nick of the audience. I have got a very good PPT on the board. and there is no copyright for the PPT. I'll be sharing the PPT to the entire team if the management allows me. I don't have any copyright acts for it. I want you to go to the PPT and ask me questions like what he did. Okay? So if you are, I'll come back to the point. Amar Akbar Anthony, repeat karo. What is Amar? DRDO. What is Akbar? BRC. At least you should know. What is Anthony? ISRO. ISRO is in Bangalore. So you should understand why it is important. If you want to do space exploration, if you want to go join Indian space, there is only one particular college which is in Trivandrum, and it is called IIST. Anybody knows about IIST? IIST Trivandrum. After your graduation from BEADS here, you should go do your MTech in aviation or avionics or space. And that the best institute to do that is IIST, where it is Trivandrum. Okay? Now coming back to the point, girls. I was talking about ABCD. What does A stands for? Artificial intelligence. What does B stands for? B stands for bioinformatics. Yeah, very good. What does, girls? I was hearing something new. What is B? Anybody? So raise your hand. You can send one mic to the girls. Sadaf ma'am, one mic to the girls here. No need to stand up, but you can speak. Bioinformatics के अलावा कुछ है क्या? B for your point of view. हाँ? हाँ, biotechnology. Yeah. Bioinformatics is a larger umbrella. Biotechnology is a part of it. Very good. C. Anybody see? Boys, बहुत पैसा उसमें cyber security. What is C? How many of you have heard about cryptocurrency? How many of you have heard about cryptocurrency? Yes, very good. The sir will talk about cryptocurrency. Sir, जरा बाइक ले लो. थोड़ा बताओ ना. आपका introduction भी दे देना. All of you clap for sir. Yes, sir.
Myself, Dr. Sheikh Amir Basha.
हाँ.
So I'm teaching here in Paris Institute of Technology. So cryptocurrency is nothing but that is a cashless currency. It is actually it's a transaction happening in technical aspects. So we don't need at present India doesn't have that centralized system for cryptocurrency, whereas other countries are having some kind of centralized things, and it is legal. But in India, it's not at present. It's not illegal here. So this is what I have the knowledge, basic knowledge about this.
People are not aware of cryptocurrency because it is not there in India. Now you should not invest your money. It will go waste, and many of those people have lost their money because cryptocurrency अभी तक इंडिया में नहीं आया. But cryptocurrency चलने वाला है. Follow a guy. His name is C.A. Sarthak Ahuja. What is his name? How many of you have a mobile with you? Google करो उसको. C.A. Sarthak Ahuja. Write down C.A. Sarthak Ahuja. Follow him. He is a CA, and there are a lot of things that he talks about. And when he talks about things, he talks about very good things. You should listen to him. Then girls, there is a lady called Vandana Shiva. You can Google her, find it out. Google करना पाप नहीं है. जोर से बोलो. जोर से बोलो. Google करना पाप नहीं है. गलत चीजें Google करना पाप है. Say loudly. हाँ. Vandana Shiva type करो. Vandana Shiva. Or find out. At least if you don't understand what she's speaking, your English will be very good. At least the least thing that you can understand. तो ABC बोलो the boys. वापिस से A के साथ repeat. What is A? Artificial intelligence, machine learning, data science. What is B? Loudly. Bioinformatics. What is C? Cryptocurrency. What is D? Girls, what is D? Data science. What is E? E is energy. E is environment. E is the things which Elon Musk is talking about. That is E. So these are the new concepts that you have to understand. I'll come back to my point. Just wanted to know the feel where you people are right now. The next slide. Slide आपके पास रहो. थोड़ा आपको ही करना पड़ेगा. So this is me. My name is Anis Kutti, and I'm proud to say that 700 plus children are officers. Salim bhai, come. 700 plus children are officers in my academy who have joined the Indian Army, Navy, Air Force through various exams. The basic exam is NDA, National Defense Academy. Huh? Wife is there. Let wife sit somewhere. You can come. Wife को बुला ना आगे बैठा लो. Salim bhai has come from Coorg. He's a Coorgi. How many of you know about Coorg? How many of you know of Coorg? इंडिया का सब नेशनल or generals are from Coorg. Can you name anyone? Karyappa is from Coorg. In fact, Sam Baneksha, he was a field marshal. He came and settled down in Coorg. So Coorgis are very abundant in Coorg. How many of you know about Robin Uttappa? Ashwani Nachappa. They're all Coorgis. Acha, how many of you boys know Rashmika Mandana? Sabko मालूम है. So she is also from Coorg. So Coorgs are very important part of Indian system where they join Indian defense. So you find out why. Or Karnataka ka Sainik school, there are one Sainik school in one particular state. But Karnataka has got two. One is in Bijapur and one is in loudly Coorg. This time 23 students from Coorg passed their NDA written exam and I had a good role to play in that particular aspect. So NDA is an exam conducted by UPSC. NDA is an exam conducted by UPSC. Girls, even girls can join as officers in the Indian Army, Navy, Air Force. As our chairman notably pointed out, Sophia Qureshi, she is from the Indian Army and she has joined as after her exam called CDS, that is Combined Defense Service, which all of you can give the exam. How many are in the 4th year of graduation? Raise your hands. जो भी 4th year में है, सब लोगों को एक फॉर्म भरना है. अभी फॉर्म निकला है, उसका नाम है CDS. What is the name of the form? Say loudly. CDS, Combined Defense Service. Those who don't like maths, girls, there is a special entry. It is called OTA, Officers Training Academy. So you can become an officer without maths also. Though you are engineers, but that is also possible. So if you find that maths is tough, you can go for that also. There is one more entry in the final year of graduation. It is called AFCAT. Say it loudly. What is that called as? AFCAT. Where you become directly a flying officer in the Indian Air Force. हम जब इंडियन एयरफोर्स ज्वाइन करते हैं तो वी आर गेटिंग अ फ्लाइंग एक्सपीरियंस ऑफ 500 आवर्स. इंडिगो नहीं चलाते, एयर इंडिया नहीं चलाते, मिग चलाते. मिग कितने लोगों ने मिग देखा है? How many of you have seen मिग फाइटर प्लेन देखा है? How many of you seen इंडिया का एक 6 फ्रांस से फाइटर प्लेन आया था जिसका नाम रफेल है? रफेल. How many of you heard about रफेल? Boys, have you heard about Rafale? फ्रांस के एयरशिप से 6 इंडिया में आए थे. उसको लाने के लिए जो एक बच्चा था वो मेरे क्लास का बच्चा था. He was there to bring that one particular Rafale. I cannot disclose his name, but there are a lot of people who are serving the nation through joining the Indian Defense. Since most of them are final year graduates, 3 exams that I'm talking about is one is CDS, the other is AFCAT, and third, which is in the very near to you, it is in Kannur. It is called Eimala. How many of you know from Kannur? How many of you are from Kannur here? Anybody from Kerala, Kannur? Yes, 2-3 back. How many of you know about Eimala? 8,000 acres of backwaters. India का नेवी का सबसे बड़ा सेंटर है Kannur, Eimala. And every 6 months people pass out from there. And if you are also interested, you can fill up the form. The name of the form is called INET. INET. Write in your Google. Just write it down, INET. Or I'll share you the PPT. From the PPT also you can find it out. So directly you can join core electrical, core computer science, core AI, ML, or somebody who has done from robotics or cyber security or ethical hacking. These people are required in the Indian Navy now. So in AFCAT, even if you have got less score, you are being called for an interview. Every 12 months, there is interview which is called SSB, which is a 5-day process. If you have filled up the form and if you want to join the Indian Army Navy Air Force, you have to give that interview. In our institute, online or offline, we will prepare you free, provided you get a call. To get a call, क्या करना चाहिए? अरे भाई लोग, to get a call, what you have to do? फॉर्म फिल करना पड़ता है. संजय दत्त जैसा बोलता है ना, फॉर्म भरना जरूरी है. कौन फॉर्म भर सकता? Who can fill up the form? Who can fill up the form? Anybody who's in the 4th year. How many of you are in the 4th year here? 4th year students. Yeah. So those who are in the 4th year, they can fill up the form. So next. So these are the exams I'm talking about. Can anybody repeat with me what did I write here, girls? What is the full form of NDA? National Defense Academy. This exam is given after 12th standard. It is conducted by UPSC. It is conducted by UPSC. What is the full form of UPSC? Boys, what is the full form of UPSC? Anybody? give a mic. Union Public Service Commission. It is the only exam conducted by UPSC at a pre-graduate level. All other exams are conducted by UPSC after graduation. But NDA is the only exam at the pre-graduate level. The next exam I was talking about CDS. Anybody who's a graduate, whether you're arts, commerce, science, anybody, whether you're a girl or a boy, you can give that exam called CDS. Third exam, AFCAT, also same thing. AFCAT is a special entry only for Air Force. Suppose in Mangalore, last time when I had come, in Coorg also, many of our children, especially from the community, want to become commercial pilot. How many want to become commercial pilot? Raise your hands. किसको commercial pilot बनना है? देखो, that particular boy. उसको mic दो. Yeah. Stand up. हाँ, introduce yourself.
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum salam.
Myself Adnan Ahmed.
Yeah. Tell me,
Yes, sir. How
what
to
have you
become-
done? What have you studied till now?
I'm in final year EC.
From Beary College?
Barris College.
Yeah, very good. Now, what is the full form of EC?
Electronics and Communication Engineering.
Very good. Now, why you want to become a commercial pilot?
I'm
Huh? Should know.
interested.
So what is the process to become a commercial pilot?
I have to NDA exam.
Now you cannot give NDA. That age is over. Now you are in the final year, na?
Yeah.
You can give AFCAT.
AFCAT.
So what is better, to give AFCAT or to give a commercial pilot license?
AFCAT.
Why?
You said.
Because I'm saying. See, crore rupees to become a commercial pilot license. I've seen the community spending 1 crore rupees to get a commercial pilot license. Or job guarantee nahi hai. Nobody can guarantee you that you're going to get a job. But if you become a pilot either from NDA or from AFCAT, you are getting a salary of 7 lakh rupees per month in any of the private airlines. But you have to be an Air Force pilot, not from outside. You get an experience of driving MiG for 500 hours of flying experience मिल जाता है. NDA, you join NDA at the age of 18. 4 years of training, 18 plus 4, 22. 15 years of service. After 15 years, 37, you retire. Once you retire, all this Air India Express, SpiceJet, Indigo will hire you. So you're getting 15 years का service, you're getting pension, you have not spent any money from the parents. 100 rupees का form NDA का होता है boys के लिए, girls के लिए 100 rupees का form भी नहीं होता. Moment you come out of that, you're getting a salary of 7 lakh rupees per month. Nobody can give you that kind of facility. The next exam, SSB. What is SSB, girls? Anybody who wants to become an officer, they have to go through a process called Service Selection Board, which is a 5-day interview. One of the interview is taken at Mysore. It is for Air Force. Where is Mysore? अरे Mysore कहाँ है? कर्नाटका में. Mysore has got the best Air Force Selection Board. It is called AFSB. So if you are filling up the form after your graduation or after you clear your ND, CDS, AFCAT, you have to go for a 5-day interview. That 5-day interview training can be conducted either at the Beary campus or I'll help you to conduct, inshallah. Next is ISRO. I spoke about ISRO. I spoke about BRC. Now I'm going to speak about Agniveer. How many of you have heard about Agniveer? This you should tell from every platform. It should be there people which is not of the officer level, of the soldier level. But if you join them, they give you a salary of 40,000 rupees per month. After your 12th, graduation will be done by IGNOU. The moment after 4 years, moment you are graduated, you can give your seat as AFCAT and you can join the Indian Army, Navy, Air Force as a officer, if provided you clear that exam. And that entry is called ACC, Army Cadet Corps. How many of you know girls? After 10th standard, girls can join a thing called as military police. आप लोगों ने सुना है? Have you heard about military police? You can join military police. It is called CMP, Corps of Military Police, and it is only for girls. And there is a course called MNS, Military Nursing Service. 220 seats. It is not nursing. You become an officer and you join the nursing service. And it is only for girls and it is only for by girls. And all Sharia compliant. Why Sharia compliant? If you see the dress code, they wear a safari suit like what I have today, what I am wearing. And they have a cap which will cover your hair. And if you take a mask of 10 rupees during the COVID session and put on your face, it's always compliant. And it is only for girls. The name of the exam is called, loudly girls, it is called MNS. क्या नाम है? जोर से बोलो MNS। घर पे जाके बताओ अपने भाई को, अपने बहनों को कि ऐसा कोई एग्जाम है. If you give that exam, you become an officer and you also become what? And you get a stipend of 46,000 after 12th. And NEET में 650 मार्क्स की जरूरत नहीं है. You have to just qualify NEET. 300 मार्क NEET में मिला तो भी हो जाता है. But NEET to give NEET is compulsory. Once you qualify NEET, you are able to do it.
What is the age limit of AFCAT, sir?
Age limit is 25 years.
25 years.
Yeah. So till 25 years they can give. Since you asked the age limit, you can join Indian Army, Navy, Air Force till the age of 42. How many of you know Mahindra Singh Dhoni, boys? कितने लोगों को महेंद्र सिंह धोनी मालूम है? Very good. How many of you have heard about Mohanlal? Kerala star. Both of them are territorial army officers. Like our chairman said, when there was a big problem in Wayanad, the first person to reach was Mohanlal. He could reach because he is a member of territorial army. He has an uniform. They have given him, even Sachin Tendulkar, they have given him because of the respect as a territorial army officer. But you can give your exam to join the Indian Army Navy office of Air Force till the age of 42. 42 years तक आप जा सकते हैं. कितने लोगों को पता है जब तुर्की में अर्थक्वेक हो गया था, इंडिया से लोग चले गए थे और उनको बचाने के लिए. And the name of the organization was called NDRF, National Disaster Relief Organization. And the head was from our community. I don't want to name anyone, but they had gone there to rescue earthquake victims. So there is lot of various fields in Indian Army, Navy, Air Force where you can join them till what age? Till the age of 42.